87% of real estate agents will fail in their first 5 years. And here's what nobody's talking about. Even the agents who survive, most of them hit a brutal income ceiling between $50,000 and $100,000, and they get stuck there. But it's not because they're not working hard enough. It's because they're missing one critical thing, and I'm going to show you exactly what that is and how to fix it in the next few minutes. If we haven't met yet, my name's Julie Savy, and I'm a licensed real estate agent here in the Twin Cities metro area. But more importantly, I'm part of Krista Mashore's KMO coaching downline, and what that means for you, I'll explain in just a second. But stick with me because this could completely change your real estate career. Here's what I see every single day. Agents come into this business, they get their license, they're excited, they're ready to crush it, and then reality hits. They're told to go door knocking, cold call, hold open houses, post on social media, and they're doing all the things, working 60, 70 hours a week, and they're barely making enough to cover their expenses. Why? Because they're stuck in what I call the one-to-one trap. They're doing everything transactionally, one door at a time, one phone call at a time, one post at a time. And the second they stop, the income stops. There's a ceiling to how much money you can make doing one-to-one activities. And that ceiling is usually around $100,000 max. But here's the brutal truth. It's not just about how you're generating leads. The bigger problem is that most agents are on an island by themselves. You get your license, your broker hands you a desk, maybe some business cards, and says, go get them. No real training, no mentorship, no proven systems, and definitely no one teaching you how to actually market yourself in 2025. That's why 75% of agents quit in their first year, not because they're not capable, but because they don't have the support, the coaching, the marketing knowledge to build a sustainable business. So here's what I want to introduce you to. I call it the 3-pillar freedom framework. And this is specifically designed for agents who are either brand new, stuck at a plateau, or tired of trading time for money. Pillar number 1, proven marketing systems. This is where most agents completely drop the ball. You need to know how to market one-to-many, not just one-to-one. I'm talking about Facebook ads, Instagram content strategies, video marketing, retargeting, geofarming with paid ads, the stuff that actually gets you in front of hundreds of potential clients while you sleep, not just posting just listed, just sold, and hoping for the next best deal. Real strategic marketing that positions you as the authority in your market. Pillar number 2, elite level coaching and training. Here's where it gets really good. When you join my team, you don't just get me, you get Krista Mashore's entire KMO coaching program completely free. Krista is a top 1% agent who built a multi-million-dollar real estate business and now coaches agents from all over the country. We're talking monthly 3-day live virtual events, step-by-step training on digital marketing, listing presentations that convert, and access to a community of agents who are actually crushing it. This is coaching that other agents pay thousands of dollars for. You get it included for free. Pillar number 3, implementation and accountability. Knowledge is useless without execution. So we don't just teach you what you need to do, we help you implement it. Weekly team calls, accountability partners, and a clear 90-day action plan so you're never wondering, what should I be doing today? Here's why this matters. Most brokerages will promise you a great training or amazing support, but what that really means is they'll give you access to some outdated webinar recordings and hope that you figure it out. That's not what we do. We give you a proven playbook, world-class coaching from Krista Mashore herself, and a team environment where you're not on an island anymore. And unlike those big franchise models where you're just a number in a massive agent network with zero real support, you're actually getting personalized mentorship and a team that cares about your success. Imagine this, 6 months from now, you're closing 2 or 3 deals a month consistently. not because you're knocking on more doors or making more cold calls, but because you built a marketing machine that brings clients to you. You're working with buyers and sellers who already know, like, and trust you because they've been watching your content. You're not competing on price because you've positioned yourself as the expert, and you're finally making the income that you deserve without burning yourself out. That's what's possible when you have the right systems, the right coaching, and the right team around you. I've personally seen agents on our team go from 0 to 6 figures in the first year. Brand new agents, people who thought they'd never make it in this business. And the difference wasn't talent. It was having access to Krista's coaching, having proven marketing strategies, and not trying to figure this out alone. So here's what I want you to do. If you're a licensed agent right now and you're tired of struggling, or you're thinking about getting into real estate, but you're scared that you'll become another statistic, I want to talk to you. Drop a comment below with the word team, or send me a direct message on Instagram. My handle is in the description. We'll set up a quick 15-minute call, no pressure, no weird sales pitch. I just want to see if this could be a good fit. And if it is, I'll show you exactly how to get access to Krista Mashore's coaching, our marketing systems, and how to start building a real sustainable business model. Remember, 87% of agents fail because they're trying to do this alone with no real training, no marketing systems, and no support. You don't have to be part of that statistic. You can either keep doing what you're doing and hope things change, or you can make one decision today that could completely transform your career. Drop team in the comments right now and let's talk. I'll see you on the inside. Let's build something great together.